But I want to play one soundbite. This child, he lost his father in the terror attack, and he actually, very brave child, recounted exactly what he saw, and it was corroborated by others as well. But I thought we should hear this child before we go on.
And
further.
also, just before you play this, I just want to bring in this caveat that, you know, we debated a lot कि ये बच्चे को चलाएं कि नहीं चलाएं, because, you know, it's really to run a child speaking about this, speaking about, you know, a loss which has happened. Is this war propaganda? Is this, shouldn't we? So they,
Tell me
all
one thing.
through.
When we lost one of the officer and his daughter
Yeah.
came and she saluted and she said, Jai Hind, hobe ka na hobe,
Yeah.
the Gorkhali thing that
Yeah.
she had done. So why not this?
Yeah, exactly. So that's what we debated in the sense that
and the nation should understand the pain of this
the
child.
pain.
Absolutely.
I totally get it, and that's why we decided to do it. A lot of social media backfiring by the liberal lobby, it's a so-called liberal lobby,
No,
saying कि
anyone
ये नहीं
who's
करना
easily
चाहिए था.
outraged also.
Yeah, so you know, in communication, especially wartime communication, there's a lot of immediate action that has to be taken, immediate decisions that have to be taken, and one of those decisions was this. Is just what I want to put in perspective. Let's play this.
मतलब एक गोरा सा था, दाढ़ी थी उसकी, ऊपर टोपी पहनी थी, वो मोमेडियन जैसी टोपी होती ना उसकी, ऊपर कैमरा था और वाइट टी शर्ट और ब्लैक जीन्स पहना था, ऊपर जस्ट इसके इधर आगे. हाँ, वो पता नहीं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे थे कि नहीं, पर हमें तो दो दिखे थे.
Okay, let me come on to this. A lot of killings have taken place earlier, and these organizations, though they are all Lashkar and but they come up with new names always. Kabhi TRF, kabhi kuch. Every one of them has used cameras, GoPros. They have put them on the
Dark web.
no, it's
Open web
available.
also.
It's available. It's available everywhere. When Captain Brajesh got killed, there are images. There is one image in which one boy is jumping out of the ALS and he's being followed and he's being shot. Then there is one in which the people are crossing a road and गोलियां चल रही हैं और वो जवान उधर. So it's been happening. The question to be debated is that they didn't realize that this will become so big an issue. And for some reason, इसके कहीं पे भी हमने पहलगाम वाला
Yes.
नहीं देखा.
And the reason
हमारे
why I
पास
want
जो
to-
है वो टूरिस्ट्स के जो बनाए हुए वीडियोस हैं
वही first person
first
video है.
videos हैं.
So this is why I wanted to
Why-
bring this
why-
video
what do you
up.
think? Why do you think?
Exactly. Why? So
Pakistan
what was
went on
the
a
reason?
back foot. They didn't want the whole thing to get. You see what happens. इसराइल कहाँ उसको लेके 7 अक्टूबर को दिक्कत हो रही है बिकॉज उन्होंने सेंसिटिविटी के चक्कर में बहुत सारे वीडियोस दबा दिए. अभी एक डीना करके नाम से कुछ कमीशन बैठा था विच इज गॉन टू से दैट कि नहीं दी लिटिल गर्ल्स वर रेप्ड एंड दे वर हैंग्ड एंड शॉट इन ऑल द रॉन्ग प्लेसेस. You see, it changes world opinion. Now here when you are on the brink of it, probably they got the orders from their masters not to do it. But they didn't want the... See, narrative में अभी भी ये चल रहा था नहीं झूठ बोल रहे हैं. नहीं ये जो करवाया है ये गवर्नमेंट ने इलेक्शन से पहले करवाया है. एक तो हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हमारी ऑपोजिशन है. अभी वो काम होता नहीं है उससे पहले वो चालू हो जाते हैं. So they had an interest for not doing it. When they went in for their Akash, they have done it. But this time they didn't go about it. And it was very well planned that they didn't go about it.
Initial this saying that we did it, which they deleted. Okay?
Yeah.
And it turned the entire world opinion to Indo-Pak this, not a retaliation of India against Pakistan as an aggressor. If they had taken out those GoPros, this, that, etc.
It would have changed the narrative completely.
Yeah.
Can you draw any parallel with 2611? उस टाइम की जो वीडियोस निकले थी उस टाइम they don't put out the videos. They, you know, of course there were no cell phone cameras like we had.
Indians
the videos.
shot those videos in 2611.
2611.
This was a Pakistani operative with a GoPro.
Yeah, but it's a good one that you're saying that that what Israel did, you know, when they didn't put out the videos of the.
So they lost the narrative, na?
They lost the narrative.
The entire world now is Palestinian because their narrative is coming. वो तो बच्चा बिठा के अभी कल जैसे चल रहा है कि वो there's a driver in the ambulance and he's thumping and he's giving a resuscitation to a child. वो उसने कैमरा गलती से पीछे घुमा दिया तो वहाँ तो बंदे बैठे थे बोले जो कैमरा बंद से वीडियो खींच रहा है वो क्यों नहीं resuscitate
So
कर
the
देता?
first thing that which came out with where this woman, and there was no time for anybody to manipulate that video. If people are saying it was manipulated or Pakistan puts out the narrative, Pakistan is always the first to put out a narrative, by the way. So that's an understood thing. But here, that woman who said that pant utara, or they asked and then said कि जाके मोदी को बताओ. That was that immediate, within minutes of the attack, this thing that was put out, it went on air.
So let me explain this to you. We had a discussion, in my class group. So the North Indian thing of taking down the pant, identifying whether you're a Hindu or a Muslim, it evokes a very primal reaction, which is not there south of the Vindhyas, because that sort of thing has not been seen there that much. Okay, so you see, that's the reason I.
So that lived memory is not there, is what you're saying.
Yeah, that is what is. Why did I go back to Ramayana and Sugriva and this? Well, last 10 years you have taken out. This is the battle of the information age. We have concentrated on Ramayana. So unless I bring out that narrative, the nation doesn't wake up.
Okay.
Okay, how is a narrative created? It's to do with identity, civilizational identity.
So you're talking about a classroom in South India where
Class group.
a class group which wasn't shocked by that pant utaro and checking.
We're not sure about if that was on video, the pant utara. They asked about Hindu Muslim. They
No,
were-
They checked.
you
that is- that
notice
is
what is you notice
has
what he
come,
said.
through the statements of the families of the victims.
Yeah.
So you notice what he said. See, he said immediately there is a suspicion. Is it being done by the government itself for their electoral advantage?
No,
Okay.
not suspicion. He said that the
people are saying-
opposition
What is
has
it?
started saying
Okay.
this.
So I noticed the same thing here, which came. So our first this is we don't go as per suspicion. I picked up a phone and talked to a senior, JNK policeman. He immediately told me, no, this is clearly from across. So for me, that's enough. Okay, if he's saying it, because he's the man on the ground. I'm a retired man sitting somewhere else. Okay, so we go as per evidence. But people from a different political spectrum must be thinking from a different way.
They're
Which is
skeptical about this claim that Hindu-Muslim the ki nahi, and skeptical whether they came from across or whether it's a false flag.
okay. So let me also
Is that what you're saying?
So I am part of a think tank.
No, please explain to me.
Yes. I'm explaining this to you. I'm part of a think tank, and there is a council. I'm not naming the country. The consulate of that country. When we interacted with them, they wanted to know what did we think. Is it a political move by the government itself to provoke? I said, firstly, there is no elections here, was my immediate reply. Second thing is, I said, I did check up with a JNK police man who said, no, these are definitely come from across. So, this is my reaction. I'm going as per evidence. But see, what is your mainstream narrative is not what other people's narrative is from different political spectrum.
I'll tell you.
Different
Problem where
Just do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.